Welcome YouTube back to the channel. This truck that you see in front of me is going to be my donor pickup truck for that truck that I've been taking apart. So the black one is a 98, 99 Dodge with a 5.9 Cummins, 2400 2500 24 valve, and the white one here is a 98 99 Dodge with a gas motor in it. And I don't really have a lot of great video footage. I just have a lot of pictures of kind of taking that truck apart. And the overall aspect of everything I took apart on the black truck, I have all the same videos, all the same stuff that I got to take apart on the white truck is exactly the same. So I'm going to make more detailed video of me taking apart the white truck, and then that way when you guys watch it, you can kind of see how I took apart the white truck, and it would be exactly the same as the black truck. With that said, when I go to start putting all of the body parts back onto the frame of the black truck, I'm going to show more videos of me putting it back together so you can see it coming back together. And that way, when it's all done and I have my finished product video, you can see that. And you can kind of have an idea of what I've been doing to get from when I bought the truck to when the truck wrecked to how it looks when all these body parts off the white truck are moved over to the frame on the black truck, because it's actually, in my opinion, easier to move the body over than move all the diesel stuff over to the white truck. But that's just an opinion thing. So I'm gonna start doing some tear down on this white truck, and we can go from there. I'll try to make as many detailed videos as possible. I also wanted to point out that I'll have some pictures of the black truck, but this is the interior of the white truck, and it is exactly the same. The color is a little different. Like my door panels are gray, dark gray on the black truck, and on this one they're lighter gray. But the seat is exactly the same. The armrest is exactly the same. The dash is exactly the same. When we get down to taking apart the dash, there's a few things that I'm gonna point out to you that is a little bit different, and there's also some other stuff that I'm going to try to point out to you that isn't necessarily different because it's diesel versus gas. Some of the stuff is, and other stuff is, this is different because this is a 98 or the model year for like 94 to 97, especially on some of the diesel versus gas stuff. Anyway, there's a huge year range where the body style is exactly the same. It's 94 to 2001, and there's only a few variations, few differences in like interior things and stuff like that, and I'll kind of try to go over those things so you understand what I'm kind of talking about. But like the back seat's the same. In the black truck, there's a storage compartment underneath this back seat. In this truck there isn't. Part of that is the gas versus diesel option, and for whatever reason I am under the impression, or I was told, that the reason why there's not storage under this one was because this truck didn't come with a tow package from the manufacturer. The tow package was installed later on, and because of that, there wasn't storage underneath this back seat. Anyway, I'll start taking this apart and we'll see what you think. Anyway, thanks for watching.